Okay, here's my Feiyu G4 gimbal. Say I've had this one probably 2 years now, and recently when I put batteries in, it does nothing. When I hit the button, I don't get any kind of reaction at all. I'm guessing I got some kind of ground loose or wire loose inside. So what I'm going to start out doing here, see what kind of problems I'm having, or if I can find any at all. Take these two guys off so I can remove this plate. So I'm going to start there. So get this plate off. Here it is with the plate off. I don't see anything that looks loose or any solders that are bad off the top, so I'm going to just double check and take a look at the bottom. So I'm going to remove this guy in the upper corner and then this guy down there, so I can take a look at the back side too, see if I can see any noticeable problems. So nothing on the board seems burnt out on the top or bottom, but let me get this to focus a little bit. It doesn't hurt to move these wires around a little, not only to check the connections, but see if these wires have any crinks in them or anything. It's just small gauge wire. They could have little breaks in them, so move the wires around a little and make sure there's no kinks. I'm going to go ahead further and remove these 3 bolts on this edge right here, this flat part, go around the side. And once those are removed, you can get to this other board up here, take a look at it as well. That one's looking fine too, so again, check the wires. And it's not going to hurt to put it back together and make sure anything I touched, any of these wires, little crinks, didn't make it work again. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put it back together and just see if it's still not working. Alright, so I still have this apart, but I put my ground screws back in right in here, and after playing with those wires a little, I'm getting power now. So I think the problem I was having actually was when I moved this red wire around a little bit, it started working. So I think there was something wrong with this power right here. So yeah, it's as simple sometimes as just playing with the wires, finding a little kink, and getting these things to work again. Good luck, guys. I'm going to put this back together and go get some video footage. Finally, she's working again.